WLKY meteorologist Suzanne Horgan. We have a wind advisory as we head into the rest of your afternoon hours. We'll also continue to monitor the threat of some additional shower activity. We saw some beneficial rains earlier today, and now we're going to be looking at the risk of some additional shower activity. So notice that wind advisory does continue until 9 o'clock tonight, when we are going to be looking at some strong wind gusts, 30, maybe 40 miles per hour. And I do think that we're going to be dealing with stronger wind gusts a little bit farther to the west. So the farther north and west you are, the greater the likelihood is that you'll continue to have to deal with some of those stronger wind gusts. Now that's going to start to wind down as we head into the overnight hours, and then for Sunday, we are anticipating dry skies with gradually clearing conditions. But for this afternoon, we're going to continue to watch for the risk of additional shower activity. You can see that even some pockets of heavy rainfall can't be ruled out. And then as we head into tonight, we'll watch that front that's going to be sliding through the region, and in doing so, that's going to spark up some additional shower activity. Once we head into tomorrow, that's when we're expecting to see drier skies and gradually clearing conditions. So periods of rain will reach a late day high of about 70 degrees, heading into tonight down to about 56 degrees. For tomorrow, highs in the upper 60s, and again, some gradual clearing. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and we are looking at, again, the risk of some scattered rain showers for the rest of the afternoon hours. We'll hold on to the chances of some rain on Wednesday and Thursday, turning cooler for Halloween.